you already have a busy schedule, and so if you need to have a side hustle, you're gonna need to be busier than you already are. And so that is very discouraging, because you're here and you're trying to assess, okay, where can I find time to do what is important for this idea to become a reality. And so you will need to assess, you will need to audit your schedule if you have something that is planned. Personally, I have a schedule for every day, and I know exactly what I need to do at this time or that time. And so if I were to have a new project that is very important, what I would do is to prioritize, is this new project more important than what I'm already doing? And if that's the case, I will need to cut off a few things and then replace them by the new project tasks. So yes, you will need to audit your schedule and see where you can find time to work on your project. Do you have lots of TV time? What do you do during the weekend? If you have a family, how can you be present for your family, but at the same time finding 1 hour here and there to work on your idea? So yeah, when you already have a busy schedule, you can be tempted to just give up because it's too much work, because you know you don't want to think too much, so you're just gonna stick to what you're doing already. You're gonna stay in your comfort zone, and very few people find the courage to move ahead even if their schedule is already busy. So you need to assess, is this idea, is this project, is this dream very important for me? If that's the case, what can I do to find time to start working on that?